The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now in this video, I'm going to present to you a video that is out on social media, and according to some things that have been said on social media about this video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that this video shows detainees who are being held within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago asking for help. Persons in this video said some things that gave me the understanding that they're complaining about the way how they are being treated. In this video, you're going to see a person who one of the persons shown in this video said is sick or ill. Alright? Now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at this video, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Alright? Now, before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Morning people, morning world, morning Trinidad and Tobago especially, right? This is the 4th of February 2021, right? We are Detainees in IDC, right? Immigration Detention Center down in the country, Trinidad and Tobago. We are suffer, right? We suffer, then keeping we and hiding we inside the fucking motherfucking place, right? We are no loyal, yeah. We are no loyal, we are no money to come out of here, but in the end of the day, we are no criminal too, right? We are human beings, human beings, right?
We want this to go to Mr. Stuart Young Narble, right? All we here is detainees Narble, right? We only hear some of we out to put, some of we only overstay with time Narble. Some of we don't do with time already in jail, and this man still have it here for no reason at all. Look at this Nigerian here now, boy. This man here, 8 years now. You understand? The man stick and thing, and they had the man here now, boy. Come on, we gotta do something about this now, boy. You understand? Look at the men them. They'll be real. They'll be real short, young. Everybody had to come out inside here to do. All they have no canteen here. All they tell them, man, they can't accept none from outside. So what we supposed to do in here? The food is fucking shit inside here, boy. We fed up inside here every day. Our boy just eating, sleeping. Come on, the officers them treating me like shit inside here though.
Like we are nothing to run. Like we are not family.
We are with family. I hear since I'm 6 years old and I say I inside here. You understand? Let's be real. Come on, we are doing something about this boy. Look at the men them.
We are nothing to do with high court, nothing to do like that. You understand? We understand
all cases done.
And everything is a process, but only we like best topic. Right? Nobody out here like best topic. Only we like best topic. Coming like them trying to kill we. So we ready to death too. Nobody ready to help him. We ready to death. Right? We only want the whole world know that we have a real sufferation inside here. Real sufferation. No one, we family don't know nothing but we. Then don't know nothing about we. I shall marry man in the country, you know. I'm 3 years in the country already. I'm married to a Cameroonian girl, right? I'm from Cuba. I have a 5,000 bomb to pay, right? And only because me have no money to pay, they can't release me off the road. People who put me in a process since 2 years and a half already, and then know that I always stay in the country. And up to now, they start talking that I always stay in the country. Look how long they know that? I'm in a process since 23 July 2018. And what happened? I had to relock up inside here because of this, because I always stay in a country. All and them. Everybody love Cuba and Venezuela is the hardest country in the world right now, right? Only because they're looking for betterment for their life. They're looking for betterment, they're not looking for nothing else, you know. And then want to running all we like a dog in the country. Why? All you know get them treating we country, you know. We're not treating all them like this, you know. We're not treating nobody like a dog. Why we have to get a dog treated? Why? You're not no animal, you're no human being inside here. Well, alright. All you continue. We don't know what we want to do. But we get fed up and we begging for help. We begging for
Pide ayuda, pide ayuda, pide ayuda.
help. That is all we needed. That is all we needed.
Somos seres humanos
We are
todos.
human, you know. Somos seres humanos. We are human.
Habla en español.
Somos seres humanos, por favor, le están violando los derechos humanos, le está violando todo, nadie de la familia sabe de nosotros, solo porque no tenemos secuestrados, no tenemos dinero, no tenemos nada, y solo por eso tenemos que seguir presos. Hay que seguir presos y ya, esa es la solución al problema de nosotros, seguir presos.
Ellos van a venir los policías pegarnos aquí a hacernos esto por el video.
The police and then go coming for we, you know. Yeah, now, anytime, anything, anybody who want to know about me, they have to, all you have to come down and see what we, you know, come down to the detention center because, yeah, now we will be in problem because of this video, right? So please, somebody help me now. God bless all you for that. Somebody help me, fed up for that. Fed up for that.
Franklin.
Pero boda. Yes, we need a solution. Immigration planning we inside here 1 ice a month, you know. 1 ice a month. And we don't see nothing from the villa office. Nobody from the villa office we can see. We only talking to the scene officer who we see in the area inside here. And then decide to interview we 1 ice a month. Then we will bring a second we life is important. A second, a minute. So imagine a month. It's every month, then cloning we don't know. And no solution, nobody don't come out here. Nobody. COVID and nothing to do with we. Nothing. The border clock and nothing to do with we. So why the problem? Why nobody can really we or something? Do something with we. Do something. A man sick. Sick and all kind of thing. Operation. Why? Thanks to everybody here.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers, to the video that's out on social media. And according to some things that have been said on social media about the video that I just presented to you, it is said that the video shows detainees who are being held within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago, and it is said that they're asking for help. Alright, you see it? And persons in the video said some things that gave me the understanding that they're complaining about the way they are being treated. Now, viewers and subscribers, it's not the first time I see a video like this that shows persons within a jail cell or in prison complaining about the way they are being treated. And I saw comments about similar videos like this on social media, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons do not feel sorry for those persons. Yes, what I said to you. However, viewers and subscribers, you know, I want to say to each and every one, never render evil for evil, you know, and I understand that persons in prison are said to be persons who did some bad things. You see, even though there are allegations that you have persons in prison or in jail who didn't do anything. You see me? Now, the reason why I said allegations in the viewers and subscribers is because I have no proof of some of the allegations that have been made. You see me? So I'm just telling you according to how I understand some things that have been said and trying to make sure that I say it the best way possible. You understand me? Yes, so, you know, on our real viewers and subscribers, I know that there are persons in prisons do some really bad things, you know. I understand that, but at the same time, you know, I don't think it is good to render evil for evil. So what I mean is that even though they did bad things, you know, they are still human beings, so still treat them like human beings. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so even though I said that, I know that there might be some persons who might disagree with some of the things that I just said. You see it? But however, I know I'm just telling you what I think. You know, Listen, to each and every one out there, I hope that this video can be a lesson to each and every one out there. You understand? Or should I say, I only hope that each and every one out there can learn something from this video. You understand? Yeah, the thing I want to say is that crime don't pay. You see me? And try your best in every way possible to make sure that you do not find yourself in a situation like this. Yeah, and I'm talking about in a situation shown in the video that I just presented to you. Alright? Alright, here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers, you know. You can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. You can let me know what you think about some of the things that I just said. You see me? You can let me know if you think I am right, and you can let me know if you think I am wrong. But I'm just telling you what I think, and here's where I'm gonna leave it. You know, so big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla TnT.